So I got seat in one of the top engineering colleges in Hyderabad. I've studied for 1 year, then I left that college and joined an IIT. I I wasn't a student who was into books. I was more interested into some extracurricular. I started training taekwondo at a very young age. Now I'm a national taekwondo player. I used to play volleyball, throw ball. I just touched everything when I was in school. It's been around 7 to 8 months since I met NIT. When I've looked back into my 1 year of engineering, all I can see is me writing records, attending your externals or labs, giving your exams, and done. I was a bit concerned about it. What if this is the same scenario after my 4 years? Then we always get this feeling about all the colleges, especially in the Indian education system, where we feel everything is very irrelevant. Learning it theoretically and practically is completely different. Sometimes they both don't align. Maybe if I'm learning it today, I may not apply it tomorrow. What you're studying, putting your efforts, studying for hours and hours, days and days, years and years, should make some kind of difference. At least it needs to be useful. Yeah, this is what hit me. Just because you're already done with 1 year, that doesn't mean I have to waste my 3 more years or follow the same path. Maybe I could just start it again. It's better if I would be learning some skills or have a very good foundation so that you can explore more onto the other things. When I told my parents, my dad was like, okay, you've thought of something. I'll give you this period of time. Talk to whomever you want. Make sure what your decision is and convince me that you want to do this. For me, I feel like this is a very good decision that I've taken. I have no regrets. This college treats us more like developers rather than students. Our environment is built in such a way that you focus towards learning. Here, they taught us about outcome and output. If you're doing something, there's no point in just getting the output. You have to get an outcome out of it. Before starting any topic, they'll be like, be curious about this. That's what they teach us to. The instructor would be teaching us about the topic. Simultaneously, we will be doing some hands-on on it. I'm pretty confident and I also cracked my internships right in my first year. I think there need to be more colleges or the Indian education should be something of this way which is more practical. We've been learning many things that I didn't even know that exist. After coming here, my parents were like, okay, she's confident about something she's doing, so they are well and good right now with me being here because I'm going good here. It's never too late to start. It's all about starting first.